में 2E तक हमने किए थे, 2F आज से स्टार्ट लेना है. That is applications. Application of simultaneous equation in real world concepts. Okay, so today we will do this. अच्छा, टीचर आजकल क्या कर रही है मैथ्स में? लाइक कौन से चैप्टर में है वो?
We're doing review exercise.
Okay, review exercise of chapter 2.
Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा, exercise 2F. Question number 1. Read this question.
The sum of two numbers is 138 and their difference is 88. Find the two numbers.
Okay, तो ये तो काफ़ी easy है. What do you think? क्या करना होगा इसमें?
You can take the two numbers as x and y. So the first number can be x and the second number can be y. So x plus y equals to 138 is your first equation, and the second equation is x minus y equals 88.
ओके, अच्छा इन्होंने यहाँ पे हमें मेथड मेंशन नहीं किया. लाइक आइदर यू विल यूज़ एलिमिनेशन मेथड और सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. सो आप कोई भी मेथड यूज़ कर सकती हो. सो ओवर हियर कौन सा मेथड यूज़ कर लें?
Elimination method is easier.
Yeah, elimination method, good. So this will be so your x value will be equal to 113 and your y value will be equal to 138 minus x हो जाएगा. So this will be equal to 138 minus 113 and that will be equal to 88. $25 आएगा. So your y value will be equal to 25 and x value will be equal to 113. अच्छा, question number 2. The difference between two number is 10 and their sum is 4 times the smaller number. Find the two number. तो हम इस तरह कर लेते हैं. इसका सिर्फ इक्वेशन आप मुझे बता दो, बाकी फिर आप सॉल्व कर सकती हो होपफुली. Like that will be your simultaneous linear equation. So how you will solve the simultaneous linear equation वो हम last few exercises में cover कर चुके हैं. So the difference between two numbers, so that's will be x minus y, that will be equal to 10. ये second statement क्या कह रहा है, इसको कर लो. And their sum is 4 times the smaller number.
X plus y equals 4x.
Okay, you said that x plus y will be equal to 4x. So you means that x is your smaller number, right?
Yes.
Acha, how you say that this is your smaller number?
Sorry, your voice was glitching, ma.
Okay, how you know about this variable that this is your smaller variable?
Because you have to choose two variables and you have to decide which one is the smaller number and which one is the larger number.
So like you mean that we can take y as a smaller number?
Yes.
No, मेरा माइंड इसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा रानिया. एक्चुअली 4 minus 3 will be equal to
1.
positive 1 or negative 1?
Positive.
Okay, 4 minus 5 will be equal to
Minus 1.
negative 1. Okay, so it means that if your answer is positive, so it means that the second number will be smaller number and the first number will be the bigger number. If the answer is negative, okay, then it means that the second number is greater than the first number. So if you look over here, so here we are going to subtract x minus y, that's equal to plus 10, positive 10, this is given to us. So it means that y is a smaller number and x is a bigger digit. Okay, that's why your answer is positive. जिस तरह यहाँ पे हमारे पास आंसर पॉजिटिव आ गया था. So over here this will be y because y is smaller, not the x variable. Got it?
Yeah.
कोई confusion तो नहीं है यहाँ तक?
No.
Okay. So now further how you will solve this question.
Elimination method.
Okay, elimination method use कर लेते हैं according to Rania. Okay, this will be cancelled by this, so this will be equal to 2x, that will be equal to
10 plus 4y.
okay, so that will be equal to 14y.
No.
Good, that will be equal to
It will be equal to just 10 plus 4y.
okay, 10 plus 4y, and we used elimination method. elimination method में हमने एक वेरिएबल को fully eliminate करना है, बट यहाँ पे तो eliminate नहीं हुआ, y दोबारा से आ गया यहाँ पे, unfortunately.
Because first I think we were supposed to solve the equation.
Good, yes. First you will need to solve the second equation. इसको आपने simplify करना है. So let's simplify this. So this will be x plus y. This positive 4 will become negative 4y. That will be equal to 0. So your x, this will become negative 3y will be equal to 0. अब इसको आप कर लो वही elimination method. x minus y will be equal to 10 हो जाएगा. This will be x negative 3y will be equal to 0. अच्छा, elimination method आप यहाँ पे किस तरह हमने यूज़ करना है?
multiply 3 to the first equation and 1 to the second equation.
Okay, then
you have to cancel the y.
so negative 3y will be cancelled out by negative 3y.
No, you'll turn the signs into bar.
Yeah.
You'll change.
Okay, then this will become
3x.
2x. 3 minus 1 will become 2x. This is negative 3y will be cancelled by this positive 3y. 30 minus 0 will be equal to
30.
okay, so your x value will be equal to 15 and your y value will be equal to, इसको ले लेते हैं, this will be equal to 3y. So your x value is 15, that will be equal to 3y. So your y value will be equal to 5. Okay, so इसको आप चेक भी कर सकते हो. x value is 15, negative y value is 5, so that's equal to 10. Okay, question number 3. Read this question.
A belt and a wallet cost $42.7. Belts and 4 wallets cost $213. Find the cost of each item.
Okay, so what do you think क्या करना होगा? Represent this belt by B, capital B, and this wallet by capital W.
B plus W equals 42.
Then
7B plus 4W equals 230.
okay, so we need to find the cost of each atom. Okay, so ये easy है. Okay, hopefully you will solve this type of questions. Okay, elimination method use कर लो या substitution method use कर लो, जो भी आपको easy हो. So for elimination you will multiply it by 7, so 294. तो इसको फिर भी eliminate कर लो, बाकी आप कर लो. तो hopefully you will solve this type of questions, right?
Yes.
Question number 4, read this question.
8 kg of potatoes and 5 kg of carrots cost $28, whereas 2 kg of potatoes and 3 kg of carrots cost $11.20. Find the cost of 1 kg of each item.
Okay, what do you think? क्या करना होगा?
We can take potatoes as B and carrots as C. So 8B plus 5C equals 28. And then 2B plus 3B equals 11.20.
अच्छा, find the cost of 1 kg of each potato. So first of all आपने यहाँ पे ऊपर लिखना है कि let's सबसे 1 kg toes is represented by capital P, and let's say 1 kg of carrot is represented by capital C. तो फिर आपने ये लिखना है. ओके, उसके बाद अच्छा, so 1 kg of each atom. तो 1 kg of each atom means कि you will need to find P and C. Okay, so hopefully you will also do this type of question. क्या करना है इसमें, 4 को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो इस इक्वेशन के साथ. So this will become 8P 12C 44.80 US$. So ये इस इक्वेशन को यहाँ पे लिख लो. So इससे हमारे पास आ जाएगा, this is positive, this will become negative, this will become negative, and this will become negative. तो ये कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. This will become 17. No, that's not equal to 17C. This will become positive 7C. That's equal to positive. यहाँ पे हमारे पास 0 आ जाएगा, 8 आ जाएगा, और यहाँ पे हमारे पास 6 आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे हमारे पास 3 आ जाएगा. सॉरी, 1 आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. ओके, सो C विल बी इक्वल टू 16.8 डिवाइड बाई 7. इसको आपने प्रॉपरली सॉल्व करना है. इस फॉर्म में आपने नहीं लिखना. वाई? बिकॉज उन्होंने आपको वैल्यूज़ डेसिमल में दिए हैं. सो योर आंसर शुड बी इन डेसिमल, नॉट इन फ्रैक्शंस. ओके, सो ये आपके पास C आ जाएगा. उसके बाद आपने वैल्यूज़ को सब्सटीट्यूट करना है कोई भी इक्वेशन में, वहाँ से आप P फाइंड कर लो. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, रीड दिस क्वेश्चन.
Two numbers are such that if 7 is added to the first number, a number twice the second number is obtained. If 20 is added to the second number, the number obtained is 4 times the first number. Find the two numbers.
Questions आहिस्ता आहिस्ता complex होते जा रहे हैं. Okay, two numbers are such that if 7 is added to the first number, a number twice the second number is obtained. Okay, so what is mean by this? Interesting question.
Should I tell you how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. We can take x as we can take x and y as two numbers. X
Hmm.
can be the first number and y can be the second number.
Hmm.
So for x plus 7
Hmm.
equals 2y. X plus 7 equals 2y for the
Okay.
first equation.
Good.
And then for the second equation, y plus 20 equals 4x.
Okay. Two numbers are said that if 7 is added to the first number, a number twice the second number is obtained. If 20 is added to the second number, the number obtained is 4 times the first number. Good. Find the two number. अच्छा, इसके बाद क्या करना है? Hopefully you will do this type of question. इसको आपने थोड़ा सा रीअरेंज करना है. X minus 2y will be equal to negative 7, and this will become negative 4x positive y will be equal to negative 20 हो जाएगा. ओके, अब यहाँ पे क्या करना है? 4 को सिंपल इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, ये 4 हो जाएगा. दिस विल बिकम 8 एंड दिस विल बिकम 28. सो साइन चेंज नहीं करना, ऑलरेडी साइन चेंज है. दिस विल बिकम negative 7y and this will become negative 48. So your y will be equal to 8. So इसको पेयर कर लो. 48 डिवाइड बाई 7 से क्या आता है? That's equal to 6.85. So this will be your final answer. इसके बाद क्या करना है? सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो x की वैल्यू को, तो आपके पास y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. Hopefully you will do this type of question. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. The sum of two number is 48. The smaller number is 1/5 of the larger number. Find the two number. तो क्या होगा इसका इक्वेशन?
The two numbers can be x and y, so x plus y equals 48.
यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर स्मॉलर होगा वो बिगर?
X is the smaller number.
दिस इज एडिशन. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आप जो फ्यू मिनट्स पहले आपने स्टेटमेंट दी कि लाइक यू कैन टेक एनी नंबर एज योर स्मॉलर नंबर. ओके, दिस इज एडिशन. ये हमें कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं दे रही कि लाइक विच नंबर इज योर स्मॉलर नंबर. ओके, लाइक 2 + 3 will be equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 will also be equal to 5. So we don't have any information about the larger and smaller number. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी आप कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हो. So let's say x is our smaller number, so that is find the smaller number is 1/5 the larger number. Find the two number. तो ये इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लो यहाँ पे. So ये 5x will be equal to y. So your 5x negative y will be equal to 0. और वो इक्वेशन ऑलरेडी आपके पास है. So elimination method यूज़ कर लो. This will become 6x will be equal to 48. So your x will be equal to 8. Okay. So y will be equal to 40. अच्छा, question number 8. Read this question.
The figure shows an equilateral triangle with its sides as indicated. Find the length of each side of the triangle.
Okay, so what is mean by equilateral triangle?
All sides are equal.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you think क्या करना होगा इसमें?
First equation can be x plus y minus 9 equals to y plus 5, and the second equation can be 2x minus 7 equals y plus 5.
Okay, so you mean that first equation 2x minus 7 will be equal to x plus y minus 9, and this first equation, या इसको भी आप ले सकते हो, आपकी मर्जी है, because all sides will be equal to each other. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आपके पास x आ जाएगा, ये नेगेटिव y उस साइड पे आ जाएगा. दैट्स इक्वल टू नेगेटिव 9 प्लस 9 विल बिकम नेगेटिव 2. Okay, and this equation will become 2x negative y will be equal to 12. अच्छा, आप चेक कर लेते हैं हम. इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग दिस इक्वेशन वी विल टेक दिस, और चेक करते हैं कि हमारे पास आंसर क्या आएगा. लेट्स से दिस इक्वेशन इज इक्वल टू दिस. सो योर x, this is positive y will be cancelled out by this negative y. If you bring this positive y over here, so this will be cancelled out by this negative 9 will move over there. तो यहाँ पे positive 9 हो जाएगा, plus 5 will become 14. अच्छा, x value is equal to 14, so your y value क्या आ जाएगा यहाँ से? y value will be equal to x, positive 2 will be equal to y, so this will become y will be equal to 16. अब इनको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं एंड चेक करते हैं कि हमारा ये आंसर आ रहा है कि नहीं. So sign change कर लो. This will become negative, this will become positive, this will become negative. This will be cancelled out by this. This will become 3x. No. x negative 2x. Positive x negative 2x. So negative आ जाएगा और x आ जाएगा. That will be equal to negative 14 आ जाएगा. So your x value will be equal to 14. इसको फिर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो तो आपके पास y will be equal to 16 आ जाएगा. So it means कि कोई भी दो इक्वेशन आप ले सकती हो, that will be equal to each other. Okay, कोई कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है?
नहीं.
ओके, ये समझ आ गया आपको?
Yes.
Question number 9. Read this question.
The figure shows a rectangle with its length and breadth as indicated. Given that the perimeter of the rectangle is 120 centimeters, find the area of the rectangle.
Okay, so what is mean by a perimeter?
Perimeter is the boundaries.
Yeah, sum of all the external sides or boundaries, okay, you can say. Acha, so in this case I am going to start from this point. So you will move like this. This is the boundary, so this will be a perimeter, and this length is given to you. Perimeter will be equal to 3x negative y. Then come over here. This length is also given to you, that is 2x. Now this length is also given to you, that is 2 plus 2x plus y. This length is not given to us, तो क्या करना होगा यहाँ पे?
It's the same. It's 2x minus 3.
Good. This will be 2x minus 3. Acha, so your perimeter will be equal to 3x plus 2x will become 5x plus 2x will become 7x plus 2x will become 9x. Negative y and positive y will be cancelled out. So negative 3 will become negative 6. Acha, perimeter is given to us, that is 120 centimeter. So instead of p I will put 120, substitute this value. So this will become 126 हो जाएगा, that will be equal to 9x. So your x value will be equal to 126 divided by 9. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 1 is 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 will come over here, so 36 हो जाएगा. So 9 times 3 is equal to, no, 9 times 4 is equal to 36. So your x value will be equal to 14. Acha, we need to find the area. So x value is equal to 14. What about the y value?
Y can be, you can take 2x minus 3 and then you have to substitute x. So 2 times 14 minus 3 equals 0.
Can you repeat it again?
Okay, you can take 2x plus y, the equation, and then you have to substitute the value of x. So 2 times 14 plus y equals 0.
0? It is given to you that 2x plus y will be equal to 0.
It's not given.
No, it's not given to you. 2x plus y will not be equal to 0. Good point. But you can say this, 2x plus y will be equal to this length. Achha, if you say that 2x plus y will be equal to 0, so you mean that this length will be equal to 0, but this is not equal to 0. इसका कोई ना कोई values हैं. So that statement will be wrong. That statement will be wrong, but this statement is right. Yes, 2x plus y, this length will be equal to this length, 3x negative y. So यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू पुट कर लो, या पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लो, तो 2x वहाँ पे चले जाएगा. दिस विल बिकम नेगेटिव 2x एंड पॉजिटिव 2x, और y इस साइड पे आ जाएगा. सो नेगेटिव y विल बिकम पॉजिटिव y, and this 3x will become 2x will become negative 2x. So this will become 2y. 3x negative 2x will become x. So 2y will be equal to, x value will be equal to 14 हो जाएगा. So y will be equal to 14 divided by 2 will be equal to 7 आ जाएगा. So now after this you will need to find the area of the rectangle. सो एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल में हम क्या करते हैं?
Length times breadth.
Yeah, so let's say length is this one and breadth is x value is 14, y value is 7, x value is 14, y value 9। बस इसको आप कर लो तो 4 टाइम्स 42 हो जाएगा। -7 हो जाएगा, ये आपका 28 आ जाएगा। So area will be equal to 42 minus 7 will be equal to 35. 28 minus 3 will become equal to 25. So 35 times 25, that will be equal to 875। अच्छा, यूनिट क्या होगा?
Centimeters square.
Yes, good. Centimeter square will be the unit of area. So this will be your final answer. Question number 10. Read this question.
The figure shows a rhombus with its sides as indicated. Find the perimeter of the figure.
Okay, so अच्छा, रोम्बस में ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं या इन रोम्बस opposite sides
No,
will be equal to each other or not?
they're parallel to each other.
Yeah, they are parallel to each other, so it will not be equal to each other, the opposite sides. Yes, you are right, this will be parallel to this side and this will be parallel to this. So if you push this block over here, यहाँ से आप फोर्स अप्लाई कर लो, सो इससे क्या बन जाएगा? थोड़ा सा पुश दे दो, this will become, it will look like this.
Yes.
Yeah, if you apply a small force at this point, तो ये थोड़ा सा आगे हो जाएगा and it will look like this, which is rectangle. This is rectangle, not square, okay? Because in square all sides will be equal to each other. Rectangle, opposite side will be equal to each other. So in rhombus, this side will be equal to this side and this side will be equal to this side, okay? यहाँ से push दे दो थोड़ा सा, so this will become rectangle, and in rectangle opposite sides are equal to each other. So in rhombus opposite sides are also equal to each other. So यहाँ पे perimeter, we need to find the perimeter. Simple है, this side will be equal to 3x minus y minus 2 divided by 2. Now यहाँ से हम start ले लेते हैं. Perimeter, you will add all the external sides. So perimeter will be equal to 3x negative y negative 2 plus 2x plus y. So यहाँ पे हम इस तरह कर लेते हैं कि what do you think, क्या करना होगा? Solve. You will need to simplify this.
Multiply all of them by 2 over 2.
2 over 2?
Like you have to multiply them with 2 and then divide it by 1, so you have to multiply the 1 by 2 also.
If I multiply 2 both side, ये सही होगा फिर? पूरे इक्वेशन के साथ 2 को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो और 2 को इस साइड पे भी मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. Is it right?
Yes.
Good. So this will become 2p. यहाँ पे this 2 will be cancelled out by this 2, so you will get 3x negative y negative 2. यहाँ पे कोई 2 नहीं है तो इसके साथ आपने 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. दिस विल बिकम 4x 2y प्लस 2 प्लस 2 डिवाइड बाई 2 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, तो यहाँ पे आपके पास 3x माइनस वाई नेगेटिव 2, इसको 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर लो तो 2x नेगेटिव 2y हो जाएगा. अब यहाँ पे 2p will be equal to 3x plus 4x. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12x negative y positive 2y will become positive y. Positive y will be cancelled out by this negative y. नेगेटिव 2y आपके पास आ जाएगा. नेगेटिव 2 पॉजिटिव 2 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. नेगेटिव 2 आपके पास यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द पैरामीटर, बट हियर आई हैव वेरिएबल्स. x इज अननोन, y इज अननोन. ओके, इस p को डिवाइड कर लो. So this will become 2p. यहाँ से 2 कॉमन कर लो, so 2, this will become 6x नेगेटिव y नेगेटिव 1. ये स्टेप आपको समझ आ गया कि नहीं?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so this 2 will be cancelled out by this 2, so your p will be equal to 6x negative y negative 1. So in this equation x is unknown and y is unknown. Okay, so what do you think, how you will find the value of x and y? जिस तरह लास्ट वीडियो में किया था वही करना है. सॉरी, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में actually you will equate these two. So 2x, if you bring x over here, this will become 2 negative x हो जाएगा. Positive y, this negative y will come over here, this will become positive y, and positive 1 will come over here, that will be equal to 0. So this will be 2x negative x will be equal to x plus 2y, positive 1 will be equal to 0. So your x plus 2y will be equal to negative 1. This is your one equation. Second equation is this will be equal to this. इसको मैं 0 कंसिडर कर लेता हूँ. अच्छा, यहाँ पे उन्होंने हमें दिए है गिवन, दिस इज गिवन टू अस. Show a rhombus with its sides are identical. This is not given, it is not like this that the opposite sides are equal to each other. With its sides are identical, so it means this is my square. Okay, so it means like this will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. Divide by 1 होता है, so cross multiplication कर लो, so this will become 3x negative y negative 2, that's equal to 2 times this, so this will become 4x plus 2y plus 1, sorry 2 multiply कर लो यहाँ पे. Okay, so 3x this will come over here, this will become negative 4x. Negative y, this will come over here, this will become negative 2y. Negative 2, this will come over here, this will become negative 2, that's equal to 0. So यहाँ से आपके पास नेगेटिव x आ जाएगा, यहाँ से आपके पास नेगेटिव 3y आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव 4 आ जाएगा, दैट्स इक्वल टू 0. सो इस नेगेटिव को उस साइड पे लेके जाओ, दिस विल बिकम x, पॉजिटिव x. नेगेटिव 3y को साइड पे लेके जाओ, दिस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव 3y. नेगेटिव 4 को साइड पे लेके जाओ, दिस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव 4. यहाँ पे 0 रह जाएगा, दैट्स विल बिकम टू 0. सो यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, x plus 3y plus 4 will be equal to 0, or you can write it like this, x plus 3y will be equal to negative 4. So this is your second equation, x plus 3y is equal to negative 4. So now sign change कर लो, use elimination method, this will cancel out by this. So from here you will get negative y, that will be equal to positive 3. Okay, so your y value will be equal to negative 3. Okay, now from this equation your x value will be equal to negative 4, negative 3 will go over here, this will become negative 3y. So your x will be equal to negative 4, negative 3, y value is negative 3. So your x value will be equal to negative 4, negative 3 times negative 3 will become positive 9. So your x value will be equal to positive 5. Okay, so this is your x value, this is your y value. Now for parameter you will need to substitute these values. X value is 5, negative y value is negative 3 and negative 1. So 5 times 6 is 30, negative times negative will become positive 3, negative 1. So your parameter will be equal to 30 plus 3 is 33 minus 1, 32. So your parameter will be equal to 32. That will be the final answer. This question is a bit lengthy question, but you should be very careful in every steps ताकि कोई सिली मिस्टेक्स आपसे ना हो, क्योंकि इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में टीचर पे 0 मार्क्स असाइन करती हैं. ओके.